Welcome to Kaagapay Cooperative Union, where partnership and progress go hand in hand. Together, we empower local cooperatives to grow, learn, and build a sustainable future for our community.
I am Janet May Santos and I am the president of Harbor Plans Boat Maintenance Cooperative, proud member of Kaagapay Cooperative Union. I am Hilary Solomon, the president of the Angkari Multipurpose Cooperative, and I am a proud member of the Agapay Cooperative.
I'm John Patrick Merillo, President of Tagatagatan Consumer Cooperative. And together we stand for unity and shared success.
Hi, my name is Jelusa Neto. I'm President of NBS Tolerant Credit Cooperative, and I'm proud to be a member of the Kaagapay Cooperative.
I'm Grace Soriano, President of NBS Tolerant Financial Cooperative, proud member of Kaagapay
Cooperative Union.
We are the Kaagapay Cooperative Union. Join us in supporting the cooperative.